Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to add a border in Photoshop. Select the rectangle tool and select with a little space left around the image. Now hover over on select, click on inverse, right click and click on fill, click here and select white. Okay, white color border has been added here. Also we can use any color border. Let's see how to do it. Again right click here, fill, click here and select color. Now choose any color from here. Press Ctrl D to deselect, and here we can see border has been added. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.